welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to show you how to set up a free 180 day trial of Windows Server using VirtualBox. So we are going to add a new machine right here. So whether you're exploring server administration, prepping for an IT certification, or just want to learn something new, this setup is perfect for test environment. And moving forward, we are going to use that server to just help you out, guys, with Active Directory and much more. Now, are you excited as I am to just download and install Windows Server in 2025? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we are going to come to this website. So what I'm going to do for security purposes, I'm going to just put the entire URL for you straight from Microsoft, so you don't have to just Google it. So visit the video description to grab that link, and then once you're done, make sure that you just click on the 64 edition. So what we can do, we can actually click on save. This may take a while, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pause the video and be back once this is complete. So let's go ahead and install the Windows Server. So we're gonna click on new and type Windows Server. I'm going to give it the name 2022. I'm going to click and select my ISO image. Let's see the no, this is a Kali. This is the Windows Server. Yeah, we just click on it and then click on next. Some people they just click on skip unattended installation, but that's gonna be up to you. Again, just you can click it, if needed, or just click on next. For the base memory, it's up to you. If you want more performance, and for processors, the same. I'll give 8. This one here, you can just enable it if you want to, in the future have advanced features, if you want to boot from GPT partition. So this stands for extensible firmware interface. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm not going to check it. Click on next. Size, I'm going to give it around 100 gig, and then I'm going to click on next. I'm going to go on finish, and I'm going to start the machine. Alright, so let's just choose the default. Click on install. It's very important for you to choose something that has a graphical user interface, because some of them they are server core. Let me see here. This option for graphical environment consume area. Okay. And then you see for the standard evaluation, I think we are going to get the desktop experience. Alright. And click on next. Agree. And then custom, choose the drive is unallocated, and then click on next. And then this is installing. This may take a while. Make sure that you just let it go ahead and grab some coffee, and I'll join you once this is complete. So now you need to enter your password twice. Now there's one troubleshooting tips. After Windows is installed, if you see that you're stuck at the screen, after everything is complete, you can just go ahead and just click here and then power off the machine and just start it again. Okay. All right, let me add my password. And then click on finish. press Ctrl Alt Delete to unlock. So we can go to input, and then we just input Ctrl Alt Delete, and then enter our password. This is your new Windows server. So if you go to view, you can make it full screen. Do not show me this again. You can just switch. So that's it for our video series. As you can see, you can just start playing around and go from there. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you add them into the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to continue your IT journey completely free. Thank you.